So what you can also do is you can go ahead and work around with the audio codec settings in detail in Adobe Media Encoder. So over here you can see that I got MP4 file format, and if I were to actually go ahead and click on the file format right here, then what happens is that it opens up the export settings. So around over here, you can see that video is there. So this is a video file format, and in video, you can have video and audio tab right here, because in video, it is a collection of video files, that is image sequence and audio as well. So if I were to go to audio in S.264, you can see that I got two audio format, that is two audio codecs or audio coding and decoding methods. So depending on different players, whether it supports the codec that you chose, in the audio might play and not in a particular video player. So I can go around over here, select AAC for example, and the audio codec right here is AAC. You can also go for AAC plus, or you can go for AAC plus version 2, and depending on that you can see that the other settings for that particular audio changes out as well. That includes the challenge, the sample rates and so forth, which is supported. Like AAC version 2, you can actually see it says 48,000 Hz. If I were to go for AAC version 1, you can see that I have different options for channel and AAC, and then you can have different options as you can see. If I were to choose MPEG codec right here for audio, you can see that I get other options right here, like audio layer. I can use MPEG-1 layer 1 or layer 2 right here, and then you got different bit rates for that, and then you even have the emphasis option, which is specific for that particular audio format. Besides that, even in, let's say for example, MP3 right here, if I were to go around, you can see that I don't have an option for actual codec, because the extension itself is the codec right here, the relevant codec for audio files. So in AAC audio as well, you can see AAC right here. But what you can do is choose whether it's AAC version 1 or AAC version 2 right here. So if the extension is AAC and the player does not support the AAC plus version 2, it might actually go ahead and not play the .AAC because the player might just support AAC version 1. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the audio codec settings inside of Adobe Media Encoder in detail, depending on what you need. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.